All right, so the next thing we want to do is we want to learn how to insert page numbers within Microsoft Word document. So for example, we have our Word document open here and we want to insert page number to have our document look much more better and professional. So to insert page number, all you need to do is to come to the home tab over here and you can come to insert. All the way down here you can see page numbers. You can just come all the way to this small arrow over here. You can click on it and you can insert page number directly. Okay, you can click and it's going to ask you to choose between the different page numbers. You have bottom of page, which is footer. You can have at the bottom of page, you can have right, left. You can check you can have it left, right, or center. Okay, you can have it center and you can see all the preview. In whichever case, you can see the preview over here. You can have it left, you can see the preview, you can have it outside. Okay, you can see the preview also how it's going to look like, but I prefer it to be at the center. Okay, so let's say I want it to be at the center and you can show numbers on first page. If you want the first page to carry number also, you can show this, or if you don't want, you can disable. Okay, you can uncheck this. And the next thing is you can, if you want it to be at the bottom, if you want it to be at the top also, you can change it. You can see top of page and you can vary the same thing, right, left, center, and you can see the preview at the top of the page over here. So it's up to you to play around with the location. I usually want it at the bottom and I usually want it at the center. Okay, so you can format the numbering type. You can come all the way here to this format. You can check the number format. You can see right now it's number 1, 2, 3. You can make it -1, 1-1- or 2-2- something like that, or you can make it ABC small letters, or you can make it ABC capital letters, or you can make it in Roman numerals, however you want it, small letters or capital letters. You can make anyone accordingly. So assuming I want to go with 1, 2, 3, just like so, with a dash, and include chapter numbers, I can include the chapter number as I go with the document. So it's going to be like in chapter 1 it's going to be like 1.1, 1.2, something like that. And you can check the page numbering also. Continue from previous section if you want it to carry on the previous section, or you can make it start at a particular section, or you can start at a particular page. You can do that also from here, but I usually leave it as continue from previous section, so as I change section, the numbering don't have to be interrupted. So right now I can go with the settings and I can say okay to this, and I specify I want the numbering to be at the bottom, I want it to be center, and I want to show number on the first page. So once I click on OK, you can see automatically my numbering had been added. You can see this is the page 1, and you can go ahead and say page 2. You can go ahead and see page 3 also, something like that, just like so. Everything is numbered correctly. So it's up to you now to change the numbering or to change the style. At any given point you decide to change numbering, the format, or you want to change, or you want to even remove, you can just come back to insert and go back to page number over here. You can click on the small arrow. You can format the page numbering at any given point. Once you click on this, you'll be able to change the properties just like we have explained: the number format, the continuation from the section, and how do you want it. Is it this numbering, or you want it to be ABC, or you want it to go back to 1, 2, 3? And once you click on OK, it's going to select that. And if you want to remove, you can see it now, everything goes back to 1, 2, 3, just like so. And if you want to remove the page number at any given point, you don't even need to highlight the entire document. You can just come to insert, go back to page number, and you can say remove page number entirely, and it's going to remove the page numbering. You can see without page numbering. Okay, so basically this is how to insert page number, format the font styles and the numbering format, and then remove it if you want where necessary. Okay, so that does it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.